Chan, welcome back from our EatSleepYangon channel. I'm Aoi San and I will be your host for today. First of all, I would like to shout out for Mr. Michael Smith, who is a VIP member of our membership program. I'm really thankful and appreciate for your help and support to our channel. And now I am in front of an event that is a fundraising event that is organized by NMA University. And yeah, I see there are a lot of food stand and art craft here. So let's go and see what we can see. Yeah. I can already see there is a food stand in front of me. So what kind of food and what kind of food we can see in here? Let's check. I guess they are doing the French fries and hamburger. Oh, you can get like egg roll, freshly fried roll, and those kind of fast food in here, I guess. And in here you can see there is like a Korean food stand, I guess, because you can see there is fish cake and some something like you can see in K-drama in there, and tteokbokki, I guess. And here is a hot dog stand, I guess, and there are a lot of hot dog, and they add some kind of special sauce in there. Oh, I heard that there is a Korea style fried chicken right there. So let's go see. You can already see there is some kind of kimchi, I guess. Kimchi? Good, like that? Oh, this is so pale. I thought kimchi is like the red color. And they are preparing to do the fried chicken? Korean fried chicken. This is what you can get from this shop. Thank you so much. And I heard there is still a lot of food stand inside the building, so we can decide it first what we should eat. So let's go and see all of the food stand and choose one. So let's go. Oh, I can already see there is, this is like a clothing stand, I guess, and you can even see a lot of dresses, beautiful dresses here. And oh, this is like a photo booth stand. So you can take many photos like this, or like this, or we can even shoot the thumbnail photo in here. And there is another clothing. Oh, they are selling this. Oh, you can see this is like Malashango. They are selling Malashango food stand. And in here, oh, they are selling that bubble wafer. And this is like a wafer, but you can choose the customized ingredient and in here. This is how they make. This looks really sweet and pretty fancy, so I guess I will go and try them later. Definitely. Oh. Aoi San, I guess. And this color really suits me. Blue shirt, blue skirt, and blue sunscreen. And this is really cute. And this is handmade craft. And you can see there are a lot of candles, beautiful candles like this. This is cookies. You see? There's Hello Kitty cookies. This look really fancy and cute. I mean, you can even choose for the flavor, like chocolate flavor and the normal flavor in here. So this is their boat. The design you can get from this shop. Yeah, that's pretty much about the downstairs, and I heard there is still a lot of the shop in the upstairs, so let's go and see. This is like a craft stand. Oh, art and craft. Didn't expect that. It is like knife, shirts, and sneakers. Oh, these are very beautiful. Can you see that? Like this. Wow. And this is like a snack stand, I guess. You can see. You can buy some of the snack in here. And this is crochet, I guess. And they are doing some of those things and showing some of those kind of. Oh, this is like sunflower. And some pen, I guess. Thank you. And this is really cute, isn't it? And what are these? Oh, these are fake nails, I guess. So you can choose some of those things and you can stick in your nail. Like, can I? Oh, so this is for example. If you choose this, and you can, all you have to do is just stick in your nail like that. So this is and you can see there are a lot of gem and jewelry in here. You can even see the earring and rings and some of the hand chain, I guess, and different type of gems like this. Oh, they are really cute. Oh, this is like this earring. Thank you. Oh, and they all are handmade, made by copper wire. You can see the wire here. Yeah, they are made like that. You can even see little Harry Potter. I am Potterhead, so this is really cute. You see that? And from Star Wars. Yes. And Luffy. I am otaku and I'm a big fan of One Piece fan. So this is really cute. And you can even see there are a lot of stickers like, oh, this is One Piece sticker package. And this is Taylor Swift sticker package and so many package in here. Okay, so that's enough with the material. So let's go back to the downstairs. So I have a chance to interview with one of the teachers from this university, and yeah, let's see. Hello, sir. Would you mind doing a little interview with me?
Yes, of course, you can interview.
May I know how this event and like food stand and art craft became big like this? And may I know what is that event about?
Yes, okay. Firstly, may I introduce myself? I am Uta Taungta, Head of Department and Lecturer, Department of Business Study, National Management Academy, University. So, our school have three programs, vocational program, academic program in life class, bachelor undergraduate program and master program. This food event mainly targets for the undergraduate student. So in the undergraduate program, we normally teach the 8 subjects. One of the subject is management. So this full event is targeted the student how to manage the real life event. That is the extracurricular activities. Yes, thank you.
So this is the main reason why you do this kind of event.
Of course,
So
yes.
thank you so much for giving your time, precious time to us.
Thank you for your time and for your interview. On behalf of our Anime University, you can visit our food event. Warmly welcome our university and warmly welcome our societies for the youth person to join the Anime University Bachelor program. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. You're very kind.
Okay.
So this is the end for today, and I hope you all enjoyed this event as I do. And if you like this video, don't forget to watch this one and this one too. So see you in the next video. Bye.